Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 16th February 2024. Paytm Payment Bank's regulator-mandated virtual exit from the UPI platform may not have as disruptive an impact on the cashless transaction ecosystem as is being currently feared, as most users have multiple back-end accounts that are out of the scope of the central bank's curbs. Furthermore, only about a sixth of the 90 million Paytm UPI users use the app as the sole application for transactions. Similarly, in the merchants category, about 70% of the merchants availing services of Paytm have their accounts outside of Paytm Payments Bank. That means they are not totally dependent on the payments bank for their business. With the proposed merger of its Indian arm with Zee terminated, Sony will seek various options, including finding another opportunity to replace the plan and organic growth opportunities in India, which has great potential in the long term. SpiceJet promoter Ajay Singh and Busy Bee Airways jointly bid for financially troubled GoFirst, planning to operate it with SpiceJet's support. Singh highlighted GoFirst's potential and aims to leverage its strengths. The NCLT granted a 60-day extension to GoFirst resolution process. SpiceJet, restructuring its finances, recently laid off staff and secured Rs 744 crore capital infusion. Indian automaker Mahindra & Mahindra has signed a supply agreement with Germany-based Volkswagen Group for its components for its InGlow platform. The deal will equip certain ranges of the electric platform with electric components from Volkswagen's MEB and unified cells. The supply deal will span several years and have a lifetime total volume of around 50 gigawatts. On February 15th, the Supreme Court delivered its long-awaited verdict on a series of petitions challenging the electoral bond scheme, a system allowing for anonymous funding to political parties. The landmark judgment, delivered by a 5-judge constitution bench, declared the electoral bond scheme unconstitutional, sending ripples through India's political landscape. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.